you feel tired too quickly, lose energy fast, or struggle to stay consistent during workouts, this simple stamina routine is exactly what you need. The good news is, you don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or hours of training. Just commitment and the right exercises. Stamina is about how long your body can perform without getting exhausted. To improve it, we focus on full-body movements that train your heart, muscles, and breathing together. Start with jumping jacks for 1 minute. This wakes up your body, boosts blood flow, and prepares your heart. Keep your pace steady, not rushed. Next, move into bodyweight squats. Do 20 reps. Squats build lower body strength and endurance, which is essential for overall stamina and daily performance. After that, perform push-ups. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, helping you stay strong for longer periods. Now it's time for planks. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. This improves core endurance, posture, and breathing control, key elements of stamina. Finish with high knees for 30 seconds. Drive your knees up, stay light on your feet, and breathe deeply. This pushes your cardiovascular system and trains explosive energy. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, resting 60 seconds between rounds. Do this workout 4 to 5 times a week, and within a few weeks, you'll notice better energy, better control, and longer endurance. Consistency is everything. Start simple, stay disciplined, and your stamina will grow. If you found this workout helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful fitness content. Share this with someone who needs better stamina, and I'll see you in the next video.